Hi, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guys, today D Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Yes, we're gonna do some cold brain. We're gonna show you how to prepare and cook the cold brain. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dawn upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, subscriber, visitor, a very big warm welcome to you all. Without you guys, D-Dawn would be here on YouTube. I thank you for your continuous support, and you can tell me where you're watching the video from. When you like, you comment, just say where you are watching the video from. So let's do we. 1 teaspoon sesame powder, half of an onion, 2 stalks of scallion, aka green onion, some sage, 1 pepper, scotch bonnet, a sprig of thyme, 3 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, about 12 or more pimento seed or allspice, black pepper, whole black pepper seed, half teaspoon cloves, about 15 cloves or more, half cup vinegar, half teaspoon salt, 1 ounce of cooking butter, bay leaf, 5 to 6 bay leaf. Our bay leaf is looking like this and it's old. And I think I named out everything except what? The star of the show. So the star of the show is the cold brain. The first thing we want to do, we're going to rinse the cold brain. So that's a bowl of water. You're going to add the vinegar to it. Before I put the cold brain in this, I'm going to rinse the cold brain under some running water to get some of the excessive blood and any bones that is on it. Now I rinse the cold brain and I'm going to add it in the bowl with vinegar, water. And you're just going to let it sit there for 15-20 minutes. After 15 minutes, the cold brain, we have to remove the membrane. So the membrane, if you look at this, you see like a plastic thing is sitting on the outer part of the cold brain. So you have to strip it off. It's just the same thing like when you buy liver and you have to strip off that little thin part before you even cook it. So it's the same thing. So if you hold it just like this, hold it up and you put your finger under, you see it coming off. See? You have to take it off. So we're going to remove all the membrane. So I remove the membrane and I'm just going to set this aside in the vinegar water while we work on our seasoning right over here. Ensure you have a pot of water on the fire boiling. So here I rinse all my seasoning that I will be using. So you have to do the same. And with your scallion or green onion, you're gonna rub. You want to get out all that aroma out of it, so you're not gonna cut it. Just rub it with your hand. Just like that. The sage. Just gonna cut our sage. Just like this. We're good with this. Your bay leaf. Just add it in your thyme. You're just gonna add the whole pepper. If you have a green pepper, it's even better. Our garlic. You're just gonna crush on the garlic. Gonna do the same with the ginger. Just crush on the ginger and add it in. Here we have our pimento seed and our whole black pepper seed. Add it in. Gonna add the cloves in. We're gonna chop the onion. And this is our salt. So here we over by the stove. You have to have your pot and let it boil. See, it's boiling up. So now we're gonna add all our prepared herbs in it. Gonna add the salt. And we're just gonna let this boil. Come to a rapid boil. Wanna stir it. Cover and let it boil. And I remove the cow brain from the vinegar water. So now you're just gonna place the cow brain in. Let it submerge in the water, and we're gonna let this boil for roughly 30 to 40 minutes. And you have to turn the fire down. I'm gonna put some Sazon in it so we have that beautiful color. I don't want to use all, just a little of the Sazon. Guys, you're watching the video and you like what you see. What are you waiting for to subscribe? Please subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when Dedan upload a video. This is it. We already boiled the cow brain in the brine. And now it is cool. So after you boil it, just let it sit there and cool. So I'm going to take it out from the brine and place it on something else so it can drain. So you're just gonna place it. You can have it just as it is, guys. Remember, it was cooked with all those seasoning and everything. It's so delicious, but I'm just gonna I'm gonna fry it. I never like it just like that. I like to fry it and it have a little crispiness on it. So that's what I am doing today. So before we fry it, we need a little breadcrumbs right here and a little flour. And I'm using some whole wheat flour. This is a Sazon that left back. I'm just gonna mix it and we're just gonna put some all-purpose on this. Let me pour a little of the all-purpose. It's like 1 teaspoon of all-purpose and you put it on the flour. And then you're just gonna mix everything up. After you finish, just slice up the cow brain. You're gonna dip it in. You wanna coat it with the flour. Knocked off any excess flour from it. So now that we finished coating the cow brain, follow me where? To the stove. You have to ensure the skillet or your frying pan, whatever you're using, is heated. After it's heated, within a minute, you want to put the butter in. After the butter is heated, it's time to place the cow brain in it. So we're just gonna flip them over. After about frying for 5-6 minutes, you just want to turn it over. And you're not gonna ruin the pot with too much butter because you don't want it absorb too much of the butter. So don't fry with oil. When you fry with butter, we got this crispy taste. And it's looking nice already, guys. Just remember to what? Thumbs up, like and share the video. Hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dan upload a video. So basically, you're gonna turn it on both sides just for 5 minutes on each side. I'm gonna give this one a little more time until you know the side is crispy and it's golden brown. Okay, spicy family, this is our brain, the core brain is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? So why not go ahead and give it a try? I know you will enjoy it. So beautiful people, I'm just gonna take a piece of this and show you. It is crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. Once you do this one time, you will never stop eating it. So it's from D-Dan Kitchen to your kitchen. I thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to what? Thumbs up, like and share. And let me show you a piece of this juicy full core brain. You see how it looking? It's crispy on the outside and it's tender and yummy on the inside. Very tender and yummy. Let me taste for you because you're not here to taste it. It tastes really delicious. Give it a try. From D-Dan Kitchen to your kitchen. Thank you for watching. And please take care of yourself. And above all, let us do what? Be our brother's keeper. Let us always give an eye out for each other. Peace and love from D-Dan Kitchen to your kitchen.